In this video, I'll show you how to earn money from 1xBet in Bangladesh. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional 1xBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, 1xBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So, if you want to earn money from 1xBet in Bangladesh, here's exactly what you should do. To earn money on 1xBet, all you have to do is to place a bet. So, how do you place a bet? You come over to a bet, for instance, come over to this game that's ongoing right now, and I want to earn money from it. So, I can go ahead and place some bet on the first one. If I place a bet and I stake 500, you see I'm able to win up to 66,000. So I go ahead and bet. If I bet and I'm successful, I'm going to earn 66,000 even if I am in Bangladesh. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful.